Bochene gulot de reze. Tingana ta re logachu katore gomba jon ronyo mangaze. Tini peli no tini ngaso pepa thoche chaso pa thoche magasa chala. Atini tenda da chaso pa dendu re rugu pai le jag tu reze. Ta hoye no tini America ro. Tini kacha she. Ta shodo tu badan ruto da she. Atini ngoma ji ropa mo buti tini hokkaja ko kuku kaja ko titi jar buti katan suje te bal gasheti pe momola rotero ja titi jasto te padala le tobele chinko ko jabeni da loka chili ja hasuma suje shia tu rogo pai yudi jo kega me ya che tu ko go chi kashme lo ki chi chabambo kuchulen chabambo je to rol je da tolo je da
100 of us were taken to the factory. We became like family and came to love and care for each other. From 100 women in their 20s, only 4 managed to survive. All the others died of starvation. In the whole world, I can't imagine such suffering. There was nothing there but bones. Our eyes had sunken. We didn't dare look at each other. They cried and groaned for a while and then died.
Adi saved a piece of cloth from each of her friends' clothing, which she stitched into a quilt.
I wanted to keep it with me to show to others, to tell them how much we suffered. Whenever I am sleeping on my bed in my house, with great comfort, I always think of the space in the prison and all my friends there. I pray that those who died will never have to suffer like that ever again.